Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So, students, let us start our exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, we have word problems. So, our first word problem is there are 4,089 bags of wheat and 1,896 bags of sugar in a store. Find the total number of bags in the store, write the number sentence and solution sentence. For this, we have to add the bags of wheat and the bags of sugar for total number of bags. Okay, let us solve. First, we write number of wheat bags. How many wheat bags are there? There are 4,089 wheat bags. Now, number of sugar bags. Number of sugar bags are 1,896. When we add these two numbers, we get the total number of bags. Let us add 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. We write 5 here. 1 is carry over here. Then 8 plus 1 plus 9 is equals to 18. We write 8 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So the answer is 5,985. It means total number of bags in the store are 5,985. So we write total number of bags in the store is equals to 5,985. Now we have to write this in number sentence. In number sentence, we write number sentence 4,089 plus 1,896, which is equals to 5,985. Now in solution sentence, we write solution sentence. So solution sentence is total number of bags in the store are 5,985. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is a factory produced 5,385 cakes on Monday and 3,897 cakes on Tuesday. How many cakes were produced in 2 days? So we have to find out the total number of cakes. So for that we have to add the cakes produced on Monday and the cakes produced on Tuesday. Now let us solve. We write cakes produced on Monday. How many cakes are produced on Monday? They are 5,385. Now cakes produced on Tuesday, which is equals to 3,897. Now we have to add these two numbers. We get the total number of cakes. We write cakes produced in 2 days are 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. We write 2 here and 1 is carry over here. 8 plus 1 plus 9 is equals to 18. We write 8 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 3 plus 1 plus 8 is equals to 12. We write 2 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 5 plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 9. So the total number of cakes are 9,282. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says a shopkeeper bought 4,583 nuts and 2,836 bulbs. How many pieces did he buy in all? Write the number sentence and solution sentence. So for this we have to add these two numbers 4,583 and the 2,836. Then we get the answer. So student, this is your homework. Question number 3 is your homework. Let us solve question number 4. There are 3,786 men, 2,983 women and 3,508 children in a village. What is the total population of the village? So students, here there are 3 figures: number of men, number of women and number of children. We have to find out the total number of population of that village. Okay, for this we have to add these 3 numbers. Let us solve it. First we write number of men in a village. How many numbers of men in a village? There are 3,786. Now the number of women in a village, they are 2,983. And the number of children in a village is equals to 3,508. Now when we add these 3 numbers, we get the total population of the village. Let us add 6 plus 3 plus 8 is equals to 17. We write 7 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 8 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to 17. We write 7 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 is equals to 22. We get 2 here and 2 is carry over here. Then 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 10. So we get the answer is 10,277, which is the total number of population of the village. Here we write total population of this village is equals to 10,277. Now the question number 5 is there are 3,527 cows, 4,809 buffaloes and 1,283 other cattle in a village. How many total cattle are there in a village? Again we have to add these three numbers. So when we add number of cows, number of buffaloes and the number of other cattle, we get the total number of cattle in that village. So students, question number 5 is your homework. You have to solve this question by yourself. Now question number 6. In an election, Abdul got 3,825 votes and Vimal got 1,309 votes. More than Abdul. Okay. How many votes are Vimal get? How many votes did both of them get altogether? In this question, total number of Abdul's vote are 3,825 and the Vimal votes we get after adding these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers, when we add these two numbers, we get the votes of Vimal. Let us solve it. Number of Abdul's votes is equals to 3,825, which is given in the question. Now, number of Vimal votes. How many votes Vimal got? We have to add the numbers 3,825 and 1,309. When we add 3,825 and 1,309, we get 5,134. Here I have add these two numbers. 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. We write 4 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. We write 1 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 3 plus 1 is equals to 5. So the number of votes Vimal get, they are 5,134. So we get this 5,134. Now then we have to find out the votes both of them get all together. So for that we have to add the number of votes of Abdul and the number of votes of the Vimal. Now number of votes both of them get all together is equals to 3,825 plus 5,134. When we add these two numbers, we get the total number of votes. Now here we add 5 plus 4 is equals to 9, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, 8 plus 1 is equals to 9 and 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So the total number of votes are 8,959. Here we write 8,959 votes. Okay. Now question number 7. We have question number 7. Question number 7 is a postman delivered to 28,753 letters in January and 12,391 letters in February. How many letters did he deliver in 2 months? For this, we have to add the number of letters delivered in January and the number of letters delivered in February. Now let us solve. Letters delivered in January, which is equals to 28,753. Letters delivered in February, which is equals to 12,391. Okay. When we add these two numbers, we get 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. We write 4 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 7 plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 11. We write 1 here and 1 is carry over here. Then 8 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to again 11. 1 we write here and 1 is carry over here. Then 2 plus 1 is equals to 4. Here the answer is 41,144. So total letters delivered in 2 months, they are 41,144. Now students, question number 8 again is your homework. So for today we have done 7 questions, in which we have question number 3, question number 5 and question number 8 are your homework.